This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, TV, leveling jacks, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, DVD player, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,554 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.